bit late up this morning. Catchy's a bit late up this morning. Yesterday's obviously taking its toll on us. Free boot sales, quite a few miles. Right, I've just been to the cash point and heading my way out of town, and hopefully the sun's coming up on the distance, so hopefully by the time I get there I won't be needing torches. Main job for today is I saw a bubble wrap man yesterday at Torksey. He'd only got one roll left, so I asked him to save it for me for today because there was no room left in the car. When I already wanted from Torksey was the bubble wrap, so I'll have to go and pick that up from him today and see what else we can find. So see you at the boot. Alright, I'm here. I don't think Caddy's here yet. I ain't seen his car. I know he's struggling with his back today, so we'll see if he gets here. Alright, see what we can find, pay for my bubble wrap and take it home.
Rather than that, I'll take it down when we don't want to go down there when we're
This is the plane. Chat. What else in this box? And a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Lovely, thank you. A bit of bonus. Another Vulcan platform kit. And then the games are £1 each. And the joystick adapter. Not bothered if they're not worth it because the platform kit's just covered me. My favourite aeroplane, that.
Go on then, done. That's brand new, it's a digital clock. Someone bought it for me, I never really used it.
How much is it?
£5, mate. They paid 25 quid for it, funny enough.
Yeah.
Well, mate, it's on offer.
3.
Take it away.
Cheers.
Thank you very much. Thanks, mate. Cheers.
Oh, sorry, mate.
Push your BBs in there, but be careful those like that. Put BBs in there.
That one's 15, all the others are 5. 3DS XL.
They're all a quid then.
How much is your 3DS?
It's got about 10 or 12 games built in, and it's got an R4 with 100 and odd games on it.
Right.
Really good.
How much are your oysters? I was asking 30.
Hey? What's this got?
Move some of your cards, not on them.
An Erector 500. Oh, I got them out of that box. Old oscilloscope then.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Have a good day.
What's the today?
Sorry, that's my fault.
No, I do it all the time at home. He's hobbled his way up here. What's he found? What you found?
10 bags that size for £2.50. You need it sometimes, that's Guitar Heroes and board games.
Yeah. Might as well. Put it in change. Oh, I've looked, exactly.
Thank you.
Cheers, thank you.
The 10 in each.
Lovely, thank you. Look at these. How much for the Discman?
Tenner.
What's it worth? 3 quid? 3 quid.
There's a wheel one there.
A wheel one there.
Oh,
Yeah, for £5.
I'll take that one for now though.
Yeah. There you go, mate.
how much this one?
3 quid.
Yeah. Would you do the Discman and that for a tenner?
Yeah, go on.
Cheers, thank you. Eh? It's what, good?
See where the battery goes.
Yeah.
No damage yet,
No, it's clean. I'm just worried about if the laser's gone or not. But when I did the both for a tenner, so if the laser's gone on it, I'm covered with a stop lock. Morning.
Spending.
Yeah, always spending. These statues look familiar. They were in the auction last week, weren't they? Oh, what's this front? Is that the power lead with it?
So which one got?
That.
Yes.
It's genuine.
Thanks, Doc.
Cheers, thank you. What's that? That out there. How much is the cooler?
Darren, how much is the cooler?
I've just asked you that.
I don't know what it is.
Which one, sorry? Oh, that. I'd take the absolute lowest is 30 quid. It comes with both Intel and AMD attachments.
Yeah.
And it's mint, to be fair. It's all very clean. You're welcome to have a look.
Keep on looking at that.
See what money I've got left at the end. Yeah.
This is searched up now, it's worth 25
Get the last I got 39.95 for them. Can't believe you put it back.
They're sneaking deals, tell me.
You put it back and walked off.
50
You'll be diving through there then.
So excited to take it. Real.
It's not going to be. It's got dissident on the buttons. Dissident. Johnny, you were going mad on that one with it being fake. Lots of interesting stuff, but some of it was definitely moody.
When it got to the bottom, the soles are going.
Yeah.
Side of that.
Yeah, some of it looked interesting, but there was quite a bit of moody stuff as well, so it don't fill you with much confidence about the rest of it.
Yeah. Yeah. She's shouting at me then.
They're all down on the wheel. They're all the whole stuff. I mean, it's all, you know your stuff. So
I was
trying to get the haptic chair. Oh right, yeah. He's doing well into this.
Oh right.
Oh yeah. He had a keyboard to on top of it. But that. If you make your name and about 1,000,000 gigabytes of downloads.
You do 5 on it?
That one there was running at 850
Yeah, I'll take it.
Yeah, 15 again. Leave it.
Leave the tip.
So that's only this goes in several modes.
You already got it.
I know what I'm doing. Good. A lot of people live here.
Cheers, pal.
Lovely, mate. Thank you very much. You were have a good day.
No, they're outsiders. I was going to buy them. Went back to buy them.
Right, I'm thinking of taking these back to the car.
Back to the car.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one is a £10.
Yeah, I'm gonna have that. Yeah. Lovely. Cute. No, not in mine. It won't fit in mine. We got to have the mate ones in ours. Unless you buy an adapter. Donny Rovers. Eh? Yeah, that's a miniature though, not a full size one. No. Oh, city.
Ți-am zis că e alor, haide.
find a few. That's not real. That is. Got holes in it. No, can't be asked to go through all them. That's got to be an XL boys, isn't it? It is real. And it's stained. No, I'm not messing about with stained shirts and that.
Coin lad comes, dog. Coin lad. Give me a chance to do that.
How much is your truck?
Right, how much is that?
6 now.
Not working it. Where's it gone? Oh, it's got a pull in it. What's this one? I was looking at that one, but it's got a pull in it. That's got stains on it. It is.
Spain.
Oh, it's, yeah, it's Spain, yeah. Oh, I had Barcelona in my head for some reason.
Some more trainers over
Yeah,
there.
I've just seen them. Nice, just fit for the bin.
Lincoln edition Monopoly. Garmin.
I've had a few of them. Oh, it's knackered though. How much are the trainers? Alright, I'll come back.
I don't know how much she wants for them, to be honest. Just this minute on it alone.
It's alright, I'll go around and I'll come back.
She'll like eat and then she stops. She's had enough. And the other one's like,
Yeah, oh yeah, mine will eat. I just feed him 3 things a day and non-stop hay, but I just want to pump him up a bit.
oh bless.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, Xbox One. Ah!
It's like a silent partner. Let's go this way, shall we?
Oh, some nice records there. More record stuff. Got to save up for the mid-year one coming out. chewy.
I'm going.
I was thinking of Michelle. Oh, shite on him now.
Fiver him. Clean it up easy.
Huh?
Fiver. At 15 the boots.
Oh, my knee. I'm tempted, but I want that bracelet. I want that bracelet if I've got money left. I'm tempted, but I want a bracelet if I've got money left. That's some bloody kit there. Ah, that's radio. How much is the transceiver? Lovely that.
Nice piece of guitar.
Don't want to be starting another hobby now.
Oh, come on, you do.
No, I don't.
You really need to do that.
Cheers, thank you. Hi, love, how much you got on your trainers?
Oh, $2.50 love.
Heck yeah. No. Oh, I got marmalade, would
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Put in like tea or whatever.
Don't drink tea anymore. Those onions not near enough caramelised. How much is it?
20. Take it off my hands.
I'll do 10. I'm taking a risk because Mum's motor's gone in the body, but I've got her head.
Right.
But I don't know if it's exactly the same one.
10 then, it's yours.
Go on, I'll do that. I'll take the risk.
Yeah. I think it's that bottom, everything else.
Yeah, I know her bottom one works, but it's the actual unit bit that doesn't.
Are you out with the box? Can you?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that big strong man there. Look.
If you want to leave it then, come back. Happy for you
No,
to
I'm
do
going
that.
home. I'm going to Mother's now. Actually. She wants to go to a toy fair. Yeah, you get the
Straight
bubble wrap.
from here?
Yeah.
Can you manage?
Yeah. I'll do that now. Flaky bit.
Flappy bit.
Lovely, thank you.
Careful.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Have a good day, guys.
That might fit Mum, that one from Mum's. Right, I'm done. Gadget's just left, he's gone, so he's gone for a week. So, have a good holiday, Gadget. I've got my bubble wrap. He saved it for me. And a back seat full again. But look, hopefully that sharp Hoover is the same colour as the one that I've got with a blown motor at home. So if it's just a case of swapping the heads, I've got a box sharp with tools. Right, yeah, I'll have to go and see my mother now. She wants to go to an antique toy fair or something, and which should be fun. Right, adios. I don't think it'll be a midweek video because I've got stuff to do at home, and yeah, I think it'll be next weekend before Boots again, or I might go to the auction on now from Friday if there's some good stuff in. So adios.